What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here today we are going to be starting on the cabinets. We got the walls finished in the last one. We did make one mistake. We were supposed to skin the inside of the walls, not the outside of the walls. And yeah, so now we gotta. We're kind of skipping ahead. We're going to be skinning the inside of the walls now. That way we can build the cabinets and put the cabinets or the walls to the cabinets. But for today, we're just going to start building the cabinets anyways and worry about the skinning of the outside later. I guess the skinning of the outside was supposed to be done more towards the end of the build, but that's what we get for kind of not reading everything properly. So yeah, we got all the wood for the cabinets here. We're going to start with the one cabinet or shelf, cabinet, box. It's mainly a shelf. That's going to be at the head of the trailer. It's going to be where our head is when we lay down in the trailer. And then after that, we're going to work on the kitchen. So we have all the plans here. We're going to start with this one here. We're not doing this. We're just doing the bottom half of this one. And then we're going to do the full kitchen, which is this one here. This is going to be maybe not today, maybe another day, depends on how far we get today. But yeah, let's start working on some cabinets. Okay, so I found a website that I was able to put all our dimensions on here in pieces. That way we can use our plywood and get the most efficiency out of it. So we're gonna start drawing out every piece that we need on our plywood here. So this is like the countertop for the kitchen, cabinet bottom, so that's inside the cabin above our feet, and so on. So we're gonna go through all this for our, we're actually not doing 3/4 plywood on this one, we're gonna do 5/8. There wasn't any 3/4 plywood at the place anyways, so. And then we have everything for our 1/2 inch plywood on this one. We did buy 1/2 inch, so we can follow all these. And yeah, we're gonna get to that right now. Okay, so we have the front shelf pieces cut out and we're gonna start putting it all together. We're just lining everything up. We're getting ready to glue it. So we're gonna glue it the inside here and then staple, or not staple, but nail it in. We got 3 pieces to do. We got 1, 2, 3, and then we can put the top on. And then that's pretty much our, well, top, bottom, yeah, same thing. And then we got our first box made, shelf made.
We'll be able to dry
ledge.
fit it on the trailer.
Yeah, we can put it on the trailer and see how it looks. Alrighty, so we have our first cupboard, well, ledge, shelf made. This again is going right at the head of our trailer here, so our heads are going to be right here while we sleep. And then we're going to put like a little lip on here and then like sticky mat so we can put stuff down here. It'll be for like phones, wallet, keys, other miscellaneous things that are going to go into the trailer. So now we're going to start building probably the kitchen part for the rear end here, and then build up from there. Let's see how far we get today. Alright, so we are on day number 2 now. Yesterday we did a bunch of cutting and we didn't even get everything cut yet, but we got a fair amount cut up and ready to go. So what we're going to do today is actually build the front portion of the kitchen and maybe a little bit more cutting or maybe a little bit more building, depending on how long it takes us to do the back portion of the kitchen here. So yeah, I didn't film too much of the cutting because it was just cut after cut after cut, so there isn't too much of that going on, but we're starting to build again, so this might be a little bit longer of a video, which is kind of fun. So let's get Molly, drop it. Let's continue on with today's video. Alrighty, so I think this is going to be a multi-day video here, but I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of that GoPro footage. I'm not sure how it turned out yet. I haven't actually taken a look. Just cutting in here, and the GoPro footage did not work out. It's just a bunch of video of my crotch. But we have gotten the inside cabinets done. They just need to go on to the back of our shelving here. We need to figure out how we're going to attach the main shelf down though, because as soon as we put any weight on the back side here, it starts to fall over. So I think we got to attach it before we actually go ahead and put it on there. We've been using a little battery here as our counterweight, but we can't keep a battery in there all the time, so at some point we're going to figure out how to do that. But yeah, we're going to do that, and that's going to be the end of this video. And then the next video is we're going to be doing the skins. We are right now just measuring where the second cabinet goes here, taking our measurements here, drawing our lines to see where it goes, and then we're gonna nail it on. I forgot to click record. Oh. We got the top just stapled in here. We're just making a measurement for the bottom. That way we can suck this in more. But you guys missed the struggle bus, but we got it up. We're just trying to figure out where this bottom one lines up on the bottom here. On the inside, you can kind of see the mark we have right there. That should be the bottom of it. All the way through here. And then we'll be able to throw screws in there. Okay, so we have the inside cabinets up. We have its ratchet strap, so it kind of closes the gap. We can't seem to get it too perfect, but there's gonna be a wall here anyways, and they're stapled in pretty good. And then there's gonna be a roof over top. The walls on the side are gonna hold the cabinets up as well. So there's gonna be a lot of I guess structural integrity in this thing with the walls on it and everything, so we're not overly worried about it. It would be nice to get it perfect, but there's only so much we can do anyways. But this side's a lot better, but it's looking really good. Once we get the walls on the trailer, we can kind of see what our angle is going to be on here. We weren't sure what our angle was going to be, so we didn't want to shave them down or cut them to the length, because we didn't really want to mess it up too much. But yeah, this is what the inside cabinet looks like. Alrighty, so that's going to be it for this episode here. We finally finished up the cabinets. I mean, we still have like the cabinet drawers and the cabinet wall or doors to make, but we got the structure made, ready to go. Next one is going to be installing the inner skin of the walls and mounting them up to the trailer itself. Like I said, we made a mistake. I'm going to explain that in the next video here on what our mistake was. That way you guys, if you guys choose to make a trailer like this, you guys will have an idea of what not to do like we did. So hope you guys enjoyed. We'll catch you guys in the next one. See you later.